Very good morning students. In previous video you have studied about teeth. You studied about teeth. Teeth is important part of our body. It is used to bite, chew, grinding the food, and also you study about sets of teeth. Two sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth 20 in numbers and permanent teeth 32 in numbers. Students, today we will study about kind of teeth. Let's start. There are four kind of teeth, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Let us study about one by one kinds of teeth. So let's start, students. First one, that is incisors. It is also known as cutting teeth. There are four front teeth having sharp, straight edges in each jaw. It means upward side and downward side, each jaw. Okay. These are used for cutting. In all, there are 8 incisors. Okay, students. 4 in upward side, upward jaw, it means upper jaw, and 4 in lower jaw. It means incisor help in use to cut and bite the food in smaller parts. Okay, and these numbers are 8 incisors in our mouth. Okay. Now next one, that is canines. There are 2 short and pointed teeth each on either side of the incisors. In each jaw there are 4 canines. Okay. It means 4 canines, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. 4 in numbers. Canines are found in flesh-eating animals who eat flesh like lion, tiger. You see 2 front teeth, that is sharp and pointed. This is known as canines. Okay. Now next one, that is premolars. At the back of our mouth there are flat and white. Okay, teeth, these are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are used for cracking and crushing the food. Premolars. How many numbers? That is 4 in numbers. 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. And it's a broad and wider. And it is used to grinding, cracking and crushing the food. Okay. Now next one, that is molars. What are molars? Next to premolars there are 6 molars in each jaw. It means 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. There are 12 molars in our mouth, and they are also broad as like premolars. They grind and chew the food. Okay. Different kinds of teeth. Let us see in brief form. Type of teeth, number of teeth in each jaw, total number of teeth of each type, and function. Incisors, number of teeth in each jaw, there are 4 incisors. 4 incisors, it means 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. In your mouth, total number of teeth in each type, it means 4 plus 4, there are 8 incisors in our mouth. Function of incisor teeth, biting and cutting. Okay. Canines. Canines, 2 in each jaw, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. There are 4 molars in each jaw. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. There are 8 premolars. Total number of premolars 8. And function of premolar is chewing and grinding the food. Okay. Now last one, that is molars. Molars 6 in each jaw. Each jaw, it means 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. And there are total 12 molars. Function of molars is chewing and grinding. Students, first of all, we know about structure of teeth. So here diagram mentioned here, structure of tooth. There is different parts. At first, this part is root and this part is known as crown, and between root and crown, this is known as neck. Here, this is known as enamel, and this part is known as dentine, and this is known as pulp, and this is known as cymentium, and this is known as periodontal membrane, and this is known as nerve and blood supply. Students, let us discuss about mention here. At first, root. You saw root. It is found downward side. Let us know what is root. The part of tooth embedded into the jaw, that is known as root. Okay. Next one, that is crown. That is mentioned here. Crown. This is upward. The top part of the tooth outside the gums. It means it is found outside the gums. That is known as crown. Now neck. Between root and crown, this is known as neck. Okay. The part between the root and crown, that is neck. Enamel. Here, this is part. It is white part. Your teeth look whitish. It means white part, that is enamel, and it is hardest substance in our body. Students, it's GK for you. Which substance is hardest in our body? Your answer is enamel. Enamel substance is hardest part in our body. Okay, enamel here. Now next one, that is dentine. Dentine mentioned in this diagram. Students, dentine, it is like a bony structure, that is known as dentine. And now let us know about pulp. What is pulp? Inside the dentine. Inside the dentine there are found pulp cavity in which nerves are embedded. That is known as pulp. Okay. Students, our last topic related to teeth, that is the tooth care. We must do the following care of the teeth. First one, wash your teeth twice every day. Every day, it means in the morning and after taking meal before going to bed. It means twice a day. You must brushing your teeth twice a day. Okay. Now wash your mouth well after you eat something. When you eat something, some sweets or anything, okay, you wash your mouth. Now avoid eating too much of sweets and chocolates. Okay, because taking more amount of sweets, chocolate, ice cream, it causes cavity. Okay. Now visit your dentist for regular checkup and follow her or his instructions. Okay, students, and one disease that is caused carelessness of our habits, that is known as plague. What is plague? Plague disease, that is dental disease. It means, what is plague? The sticky yellowish layer of germs found in our mouth, that is known as plague. Okay, that's all in this chapter. Thank you.